Introducing Acumatica Commerce Edition's native integration to BigCommerce. The Acumatica Commerce Edition is a commerce-enabled ERP. It supports the many functions of B2C, B2B, and D2C merchants who sell in an omni-channel sales environment. From one location, Acumatica manages sales, inventory, financials, CRM, fulfillment, and much more. The Acumatica Commerce Connector is a utility for connecting to best-in-breed e-commerce platforms. The Commerce Connector includes a native integration to BigCommerce, a SaaS e-commerce platform which supports both B2B and B2C merchants. Within the BigCommerce integration, data flows between your ERP and your BigCommerce website in real time. No more double entry or managing information in two locations. The Commerce Connector makes your BigCommerce website an extension of the ERP. The integration synchronizes a broad spectrum of data including products, customers, sales orders, shipments, customer-specific pricing, discounts, and much more. For example, product information including content, images, attributes, and even videos are managed within the ERP and exported to BigCommerce. You have the tools necessary for optimizing your customers' online buying experience. For example, managing product attributes within the ERP leads to advanced searching and filtering experiences on BigCommerce. Your team prepares the necessary data for your customers to quickly and easily drill down to the exact product they're searching for. Most importantly, you can increase customer loyalty by providing your customers with an optimal experience. In this example, customers will appreciate the ease of searching for and purchasing the products they need for their business or their personal life. The Commerce Connector's easy-to-manage user interface, which includes screens for altering the flow of data, monitoring the synchronization of data, and manually fetching and syncing data. Within the Entities window, you can quickly and easily add new attributes to your stock items, then expose that information to BigCommerce for your customers to see. Within the Sync Status page, you can preview each node of data, which is synchronized between the two systems. You can see the state of the synchronized data, when the last update took place, and even manually sync the individual nodes. And if trouble arises, the Sync Status will present human-readable error messages that will tell you exactly what has led to the outcome you didn't expect. The native integration with BigCommerce allows your organization to manage your business from one central location while pushing and pulling data in real time to and from BigCommerce. By using BigCommerce for doing business online, your customers will have the tools and the information they need to educate themselves about your products and place orders online. And your team will continue to use the standard fulfillment workflows within Acumatica to pick, pack, and ship customer orders in an efficient manner while sending real-time status updates and tracking information to the customer. This brief overview of the Acumatica Commerce Edition's integration with BigCommerce is only an introduction to the many e-commerce features supported. We're only scratching the surface. To learn more, reach out to your local Acumatica reseller or contact us directly at info@acumatica.com. Thank you.